Alright, unboxing.
Alright.
My husband
Get you early
birthday gift. So siya, I'm wrong. Unboxing. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, purple. Ready? Ready? Set, go. God. Next time, love boxing, okay? So that we're going to punching each other.
Okay.
And then we put it here in the garage. Okay, it's gonna be dirty. Oh, this is standing like yours? Yeah. And look at this. It's just like ano loves, gloves, boxing gloves. It's just like boxing gloves.
Yeah, that's a.
Oh wow, you don't have. Look this.
I have.
Oh.
Okay.
For sure.
Okay.
With plastic bag. Yeah. Okay, so when we're going to play? Huh?
Soon.
Soon?
Yeah.
Thanks for the birthday gift, loves.
Oh, you're welcome, honey.
You're so social talaga.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wish it was.
You're so elegant.
No.
Oh, do I need to take it out, this one, plastic? This one?
Oh yeah. You have to take it off.
What is
Here's
that?
your ball marker when you go to the putting green. And 2 repair tools from my father. One is from the Bahamas. Okay. There you go.
Aww.
Okay.
Paradise Island, Ocean Club. Oh, so siya. I will put it over here, loves.
Yeah.
Okay. How about my gloves?
Well,
Where's
your very
gloves?
first ball.
Aww.
Okay, here's another one for you.
Green.
And then since
2
you
balls.
have that, there's one with this on it.
Elegante. Pink, white, green.
All in one so you don't lose it.
Oh, my favorite color.
Oh well, here, no. Here's your favorite color.
Combination. And the gloves, loves. Partner day. Where's yours?
Mine's in the pocket. Oh, give me your sock. Put it on.
So elegant. Needs a socks.
Does it need socks? No, but does it come with it? Yeah, because it's brand new. Here, here's that.
So shy. Wow, so elegante lang.
There you go.
Well, yours, because I'm married to elegant husband. You make me excited now. Come on now, Rob. Let's go.
Oh yeah.
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Come on now, Rob. Let's go now, my darling. Let's play. Why not make in our yard so that it's free? Make a hole in our yard, love.
Well, Because you go play places that have bigger yards.
We have a big also in Pennsylvania. Oh. Where are you going? Outside? I told you. I'm coming. Go find the hole that Jasper make loves. Make love. Here, how is it? You go far? Jasper? Okay, let me see. Wait a minute. I'm coming. I'm coming. Aray, cookie na. Oh. Where are you? Oh, wow. And the deer. The deer loves. Pew! Oh, see, I told you we can do it over there on the top of the hill, loves. On top of the hill. We will make a golf play over here. Ay! I like it. Go over there on the top of the hill. There. Okay. Where is it now? The deer. You got the deer?
Over there, man.
We have a pin, right?
Yeah,
Oh, use the pin.
You don't use the tee
Oh.
for this kind of play.
Ah, okay. That's cool. Oh, may atsa. May atsa.
Huh?
Can I try?
Yeah, you can try. This one here.
Lots of balls.
We'll get a range ball.
This is all Father's collection.
Yeah.
It benefits us. Maybe he saved those for us. Wait,
You bring
how?
it up here like this. Keep this arm right here straight. And then when you come back down through,
Oh,
you should be straight. Both arms straight. And then you come up through and you bend. Okay. So. Okay.
okay. Let us see. That is continue now. This one, right?
Yep. Get close. There you go. Get comfortable. There you go.
Like that?
Go ahead. You have to hit the ball. Keep your eyes down on the ball. Yeah. There it is.
Wow.
Right in the garden. Right over there in the garden. Okay?
That's nice, yeah.
Okay.
That makes me, excited na. Now we're going to collect?
Yeah, we don't want to leave it in our yard. I don't want to leave it in my yard.
Jasper, supposed to be your job to collect the balls.
Yeah, really.
Go find the balls. Moon, your daddy's balls. Where's your daddy's ball? Where is it, love? Where you? I mean the golf ball. Ginana nga ball. Mine here, right? Inside? Okay. Oh, po naglamis. Oh, it's so cold. I gotcha. Mine is here. All right. Jasper, help your daddy to find his balls.